Do you need to know how to operate the child locking system on a Geely EX5? Check out this video to find out how. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. This is a Geely EX5 and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to operate the child locking system on the rear doors, and I'll also include the window inhibit key as well. Now all we're going to do is go to one of the rear doors. Now the car is unlocked. Just go ahead and open up that door fully and just come down to the locker mechanism like so, and you'll see this little toggle switch here, and it does have a little padlock with a stick child in there. So all we're going to do is push that to the left, and then that's actually activated the child locking system. So this handle no longer actually operates the lock, and you can feel that all of the resistance has gone. To reinstate it, you're just going to pop that back to its original position like that, and now when you come up here with the handle you can actually feel there is some resistance and you can actually hear the lock working. Now the other thing I mentioned is actually the window inhibit key, and that stops the children actually winding the window down, and that is actually this button there, and you notice it's just gone orange, so that now means that the rear window buttons don't actually work. And again, just to restore that, click it just so it turns off, and that will remember the settings as well. So there we go, nice quick simple video for you today. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.